It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday, you. For you. Happy birthday, you. Like a gift to me. Congratulations on your name. Happy birthday, you. Hope you are the happiest. Blow out the candles, make a wish. With every passing year, you added to your bliss. Friends and family gathered all around. Happy birthday, you. Let the love abound. Happy birthday, you.
Happy birthday, Tita Joy. May God bless you. More birthday to come. Mwah, mwah.
Joy, happy birthday! Ang wish ko, more birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday, Mami. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay mahaba buhay mo, tapos magninig healthy ka. Yun lang ang wish ko sa'yo. I love you, Mami.
Happy birthday, Tita Joy! Happy birthday!
Ang wish namin ay magkaroon na si Undan ng kapatid upang mapalit na si Undang.
Happy birthday sa iyo dyan. Nabati kita. Even if may pasok tayong bata. Enjoy ka lang dyan. Marami pang days para mag-celebrate tayo ng pamilya natin. Papasalamat ako kay Lord kasi dumating na naman sa punto na dumarating tayo sa ating kaarawan. Lagi tayong pasalamat kay Lord dahil ito ay isang blessing na ibinigay niya sa atin. Yun lang, happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-enjoy ka dyan, iwasan ng stress at iwasan mga high blood sa mga student. At happy birthday, love you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.